One of the biggest frustrations that I hear from recruitment business owners is the fact that a lot of the candidates that they're looking for already existed on their CRM, but it's become easier over the years to simply post a job out or start looking at external pools rather than looking for candidates that you might already have for a number of different reasons. Sometimes the systems sit separately from each other, or they're clunky or difficult to access. So we have a talent pool within Wave Tracker, nicknamed it Before You Post. So for every job that you go to advertise on whatever board that you're going to use, it will automatically run a search on all the applications that you've received before, and it will also work with your CRM running a search within there if you're using Bullhorn or Venturi. So it makes it so much easier to be able to identify the candidates that you've already got, that are already known to you, and you may well find that you can speak to a candidate without having to spend money on job boards. You may already have that perfect candidate available to you.